The canvas size by default is set to the same size as the original image. However, you can extend this. If you don't float the background layer, changing the canvas size will use the background fill color that you have loaded over in the Tools panel. I'm going to go ahead and double click and name this layer. I'll now choose Image, Canvas Size. You'll notice that the original dimensions of the image are loaded. You could choose to enter a new width and height based on the original numbers, or check relative. For example, if you wanted to add a 1/4 inch on each side, you'd enter half for width and half for height. And currently, it's going to go from the center. You can, however, choose which corner to pin the size for the change. Typically, however, center is what's used. Clicking OK, and you see that it's added the pad around all sizes. Let's press Command- to shrink back, and you see the 1/4 inch is added all around. Canvas size is useful when you want to make additional room around the image. Conversely, you could change the canvas size and make it smaller to crop the image. Typically, however, you'll do that sort of function using the crop tool.